Video guide is about removing the browser hijacker called Forest Start Tabs. Forest Start Tabs, in fact, is a special extension for the Google Chrome browser. The website that is related to this hijacker is foreststarttabs.com, and indeed it is absolutely correct to speak of Forest Start Tabs as a browser hijacker. It is designed to promote foreststarttabs.com, a fake search engine. It hijacks a web browser by changing its settings. Our malware researchers have discovered Forest Start Tabs while examining various deceptive websites and sites that use rogue advertising networks. Forest Start Tabs changing the default search engine homepage and new tab page. It sets them to foreststarttabs.com. We have tested foreststarttabs.com and found out that it is a fake search engine that shows results generated by Google, Yahoo, and possibly other legitimate or untrustworthy search engines. If you have discovered these Forest Start tabs to be the part of your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake all the measures to remove it effectively from your device. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So now disable and delete any third-party extensions which you might find here. To make sure that your computer is free of other hidden threats, I strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com, download it using this green button, install the software, and then start carefully examining the computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.